Hello बच्चों, today we are going to know things that we use at home. So let's start the video. First, television. We use television to watch cartoons. Second, cooker. We use cooker to cook food. Third, hammer. We use hammer to fix nails. Fourth, washing machine. We use washing machine to wash clothes. Fifth, screwdriver. We use screwdriver to fix the screws. Sixth, refrigerator. We use refrigerator to keep food fresh. Seventh, iron. We use iron to iron clothes. Eighth, room heater. We use room heater to heat a room. Ninth, cooler. We use cooler to cool a room. 10th, torch. We use torch to see in the dark. Okay बच्चों, see you in the next video. Thank you.